Hello everyone, good morning, Dinesh here. Today I'm going to show you how we took a trade with small opportunity and converted it into a big one. Okay, I'm going to show you with the charts where we took the trade and where we exited the trade. Okay, so that you can understand the reason why we took it. I'm also going to explain that and how we were able to grab this huge opportunity. Let's go to the charts. Okay, here we go. We are going to see Sumitomo Chemical. Okay, this is a company on which we were taking a trade and we were able to make very good profit. First, let me tell you what was the analysis. Okay, so when we are having this particular duration, okay, our analysis was very simple. We were having our trend lines here. We can draw the trend line like this also, correct? So these are the trend lines using which we are going to actually consider this as a strong support. Okay, this is going to act as a strong support. Okay, and this will be acting as a resistance. Okay, resistance. So during this particular portion, okay, we know that whenever it is coming near support, bulls are going to pitch in and push the prices up. And near the resistance, sellers are going to be there, okay, who are going to actually show resistance and it can come down, correct? So this is a particular swing trade. We initially planned to actually get into a swing trade on this particular trade. Okay, so swing trade somewhere near the support line, correct? Somewhere near the support line. Okay, so in this case, one of our participants took a trade here on this particular candle. Okay, why? Because it was almost like a little bit close to the support and they were able to see the morning star, okay, showing some sign of bullishness. Okay, she took the trade with the target of this one, okay, 329 or so. Okay, she took the trade around 310 in this particular candle, 310, 315, 320 like that. Okay, and this particular swing trade, okay, hit the target of 329 and it broke that resistance. The resistance of 329 is also broken. Okay, now the swing trade has got converted into a breakout one, okay, a momentum trade. So she was holding on to the position and this particular trade went higher and she closed her position around 368, okay, around this particular price. Okay, around this particular price she was able to close the position. She took the trade at around 315, 320 and which was like a 3% to 4% profit potential trade on a swing, right? So from 315 or 320 to 329, it is just a 4%, 3 to 4% profit potential. But later on, the 3 to 4% profit potential trade has been converted into from 315 to 368. It's almost like 50 points. Okay, so 50 points price movement, which is like 15% and more. Okay, 50% and more. So 4%, assume 4% profit potential trade has been converted into a 15 to 18% profit potential trade. Okay, this is what has happened in this particular scenario. Okay, so a small trade, guys, in any trade, okay, a small one can also be turned out into a big profit potential trade. We have to wait for the right opportunity, okay, take the trade and grab the maximum profit potential from that trade. That's when the big money is. Okay, so and how much time did it take? So this is now 1 hour time frame. We are in 1 hour time frame. So this happened, okay, on 1st of June, okay, 2:30. Okay, on the 2nd of June, yeah. So 1st of June to 2:30 they bought it, and by the 2nd, yeah, next day itself the profit has happened. Okay, So in one single day, 15 to 18% profit potential. Is that good, guys? Excellent, right? Awesome trade, right? Okay, this is how we have to apply the concepts. Okay, because guys, applying the concepts is very crucial for anyone to become a better trader. Okay, so that is how you can actually make good amount of profits. And let me show you the profits screenshot of this particular person as well. Okay, so this is a trade that she took. Sumi Chemicals, 25 quantity. Okay, the realized profit is 18.4%. 18.4% is the profit. Okay, and if you see this, she sold it around 368. Okay, 368 on 2nd of June, right? So one single day, 1 hour time frame, 18% profit. Awesome, right? So this is how you'll be taking the trade. Yep. So the bonus step which I want to tell you is that always start with, do not actually directly go into intraday trading when you're starting. Okay, always start with position trading. Once you're getting confidence, then you can go for intraday trading. Okay, unless you're getting confidence in position trading, do not go for intraday trading, because the amount of time, there's a time limitation that you're going to have in intraday trading, right? You have to actually close your trade before 3:30, and that's already an extra stress which you're going to have. Okay, so when you're starting, right, always focus on making profit or getting the skill set and the confidence. Then you can get into the focusing on the profits. But I would always say that focus on the skill set. Profits can automatically happen. Okay, focus on the skill set, build your confidence, and become a professional trader. So if you like our video and are progressing every single day, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and have a great day. Bye-bye.